Turnitin recently announced that they were going to be able to significantly downsize their engineering team and replacing a bunch of the engineers with AI. And I got a few thoughts on that. So first of all, let's just take AI off the plate completely. The best way to build software efficiently is to have small teams of really experienced people who create reusable frameworks, bring in the most advanced tooling so that a small number of people can do a lot. And those are the kind of the high performance engineering teams. And that's the kind of team that we have here at CYPHER Learning. There are certainly, though, engineering teams that haven't adopted the latest software best practices, where they do have more kind of less talented engineers, shall we say, building a lot of mediocre stuff that could be, done in a much more efficient way. And I think if you have an engineering organization like that, then it's certainly possible that you could downsize somewhat by leveraging AI. But I really do think in this case, AI is kind of like the red herring. I think that you would normally reduce an engineering team regardless if your team is so easily replaceable by AI. Like at CYPHER Learning, there's absolutely no way I can replace anyone in our engineering team by AI because they're just way too good. But they do use AI on a daily basis to make their own productivity more efficient.